Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect rice and peas. Get your peas going on the stove with some garlic. Next I'm going to be putting in some pimento seeds and continue to let the peas cook. So when your peas is almost cooked, then you go in with your scallion, thyme and the Scotch bonnet pepper. Here is where you'll put in your other seasonings, like your black pepper and seasoning of your choice, like maybe some Maggi seasoning. Alright, and if you need to, you can also add a little extra water before you put your rice in. Here's where you'll also put in your coconut milk. If you're using dry coconut, then that will go in far ahead of this point. With my seasons, I use no salt at all in my rice and peas. So as soon as the rice has come up, you have to lower your heat so that the rice will not burn. Now it's when you'll also add a pat of butter or so. You're basically on your way to the finish line. Just allow the rice to be properly cooked and the water to be all dried out.